Hello friends, in this video I am going to show how to use RJ45 and RJ11 network cable tester. So guys, let's watch the full video. This is the new RJ45 and RJ11 network cable tester. This is the user manual, guys. In this way, so guys, you need to install the 9-volt battery. This is the 9-volt Panasonic. You can see it, guys. Now battery installation is complete. On, off, on. So guys, now I will check this cable. Plug the cable. Seven, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means this cable is okay. Good. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.